This brief tutorial explains a simple way to scan your old photos. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use your scanning software to create a high-quality digital copy and how to edit your scanned photograph. Remember, your goal in scanning old photos is to provide a faithful representation of the original item. Here's some steps to start. Number 1. Before scanning, make sure that your scanner glass is clean. Number 2. Place your photo as straight as possible on the scanner glass. Then number 3, you can open your scanning software. We're using Adobe Photoshop Elements for this example, but many other scanning software programs, including the software that may have come with your scanner, will work just as well. After opening your scanning software, click on File in the upper left-hand corner and scroll down to Import. This should bring up the connection to your scanner. Scan all photographs in color, even if the original is in black and white. When your scanning software is open, click Preview, and the scanner will run a quick preview image of your photo. You can adjust the size of the preview image by dragging the dotted line. Leave a small, even border around your photo so that none of the edges are cut off. After you've adjusted the border, you'll need to set the resolution, or DPI. A good rule of thumb for photo resolution is if the longest side of the original photo is shorter than 7 inches, the resolution should be 600 DPI. If the longest side of the original photo is longer than 7 inches, the resolution should be 300 DPI. The resolution for this photo will be 600. Once you've set the resolution, click OK and then click Scan. Because you're creating a high-resolution scan, the scanning can take several minutes depending on your computer's processing speed. When your scanned photo appears on the screen, choose File and then choose Save As. Save your file as a TIFF format, and then name the photo using only lowercase letters, numbers, dashes, or underscores. Don't use spaces or punctuation. Click Save, and you'll want to make sure that there is no compression when saving the photo. Now that your high-resolution master TIFF file is saved, you can make any necessary adjustments to your secondary file. You can use the Levels function to adjust the highlights and shadows. Simply move the left and right sliders to the edges of the graph. Do not use auto levels or any other auto correction. At this point, you can also make further adjustments such as rotating or cropping, but remember to keep a small, even border around the photograph. When you're done making adjustments, click on File, choose Save As, and this time save as a JPEG format. Save your JPEG with the same file name at a high to maximum rate of quality. Click OK, and you're done. You should now have 2 copies of your original photograph, a high-resolution master TIFF file that you can use for printing and archiving, and a smaller JPEG file you can use for sharing on the web.